one machine with 3 functions. Snapmaker Original is the first generation product of Snapmaker, which has 3 interchangeable functional modules: 3D printing, CNC carving and laser engraving. High precision with its all-metal build. The all-metal frame allows high-quality prints. Snapmaker 3-inch-1 3D printer can be widely used in many areas: personal hobbies, parent-child study, STEAM education and rapid prototyping. Powerful and easy software. All the tasks for 3 functions can be done with Snapmakerjs, which helps entry-level users to complete the work quickly. The Snapmakerjs updates regularly with new features to enable users have great experience on using it. Inspire or get inspired by the friendly community. Snapmaker owns a friendly user community on Facebook page and forum in case you need any helps. More than 13,000 active users are waiting for you to share the fun of creating.